So let's give it another shot. So okay, this is take 2. I'm really sorry for the background noise, so let me just start this. Okay, so let me delete this cube, make a new cylinder, scale it up. I'm really sorry if you can hear noises, so I'm just going to scale it up, and I'm going to scale it from here. So now we can go to this selection. So let's go to the loop cut. Let me just, okay, I'm back. So now let's do whatever we're doing. So I have gone one loop cut and another here. So let me just do this, and let me do this, and let me select this, all the edge over here, and then let me select all of it from here. Now once selected, I'm just going to scale this up with also this as well. I'm going to deselect this, and then I'm going to scale this up a little bit. I'm also going to scale this up, and I'm going to scale also going to scale this up a little bit. So then what I'm going to do is going to go there and then press 1 on my number pad or Y, and I'm going to first select this and go to this, and then wireframe mode, and then E to extrude, and then shift to scale, and then S to scale again, and E to extrude. And now if I go back here, you can see that it's now a cup. So great, we have a cup. So now let's finish everything off by adding a subdivision surface. So now we have our cup, and let's add a little bit of solidify. So it's the opposite way. So here we got it. So now let's apply the subdivision and this, and let's go to here and then select all of this, and E to extrude and S to scale. Now we have a cup. So now let's do another thing and add a Bezier curve. So go to the curves and select a path. So I'm going to select it here, shift it, and then let's edit our Bezier curve. So let's do this, and let's do another one here. And let's go here and then rotate it a little bit over here, and then let's scale this up a little bit. Let's scale this up, and let's now add a circle, not a very big one, a small one actually. Now let's go here. Actually, let's try something new today. So I'm gonna add a skin modifier. If we have it, then actually no, we don't have a skin modifier. We're gonna go here, go to the geometry, and then select our circle. Actually not from here, I think we go to the curve and then a circle. Okay, yes, do this. So let's scale this up a little bit, select a Bezier circle and scale it. Actually no, it's actually a bevel, and we're going to remove. Okay, keep it small, don't go too overboard with it. So now I'm going to actually add this. So now I'm going to here and edit this a little bit. Now let's do this couple of times. Okay, and then we got it. And then there we go, we have it, our bezier shape. Let's scale this up a little bit. Okay, so now as you can see that we have got our cup, so let's add a little bit more subdivision surface to it. Let's add 3. Okay, now let's go here. So let's now go out of here and then do this, and then go here and press Shift F. So if nothing happens when you press Shift F, then go to the files. Let me just see how many minutes it has been. Okay. Oh, it's out of time. So we're going to okay, let's just skip this. Okay, let's go to the camera. I'm really sorry for that, so let's do it again. So you go here and then do this, get a good view. Okay, so let's see if we're recording. Yes, we are. So go to render, then go to render image, and you should have it. Yes, there we go. So let's just render this. Okay, so an image, render image. So now this should be perfect. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode.